हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू रघुशर मैथ्स एकेडमी। आज हम पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए रेक्टिलिनियर फिगर कैसे निकालेंगे इसके डिटेल्स जाएंगे, बेसिक लेवल से लेकर ओलंपियाड तक। एक एक पॉइंट आप देखिए, कॉपी पेन पेपर निकालो, जो मैं बोल रहा हूं इसको नोट कीजिए। देखिए, तो पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? पेरीमीटर इज व्हाट? एडिशन ऑफ द व्हाट? addition of this closed field by length of the boundaries. Length of the boundaries, if you add all together, will get what? Perimeter. So what is rectilinear figure? क्या होता है इसे? Rectilinear means it is a figure composed of by consisting of line segment. Line segment. This is a line segment. This is a line segment. These are what? Closed figure. So how can you find its perimeter? Suppose length of this side is given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5, 7, 8. So perimeter means you just add perimeter equal to, so sum of the length of the boundaries, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, so different figure is there. So how can, suppose it is a equilateral triangle, you know, three-sided closed figure. Three-sided closed figure. If it is equal, so all sides are equal. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. So how can you find the perimeter? 2 plus 2 plus 2, that equal to 6. Better you can do it what? So 3 into side. So perimeter of the equilateral triangle, write down, note down, 3 into side. Okay, so suppose it is a pentagon. Pentagon means what? 5-sided closed figure. 3-sided closed figure is known as triangle. 4-sided closed figure is called quadrilateral. 5-sided closed figure pentagon. 6-sided closed figure hexagon. 7-sided closed figure heptagon. 8-sided closed figure octagon. 9-sided closed figure nonagon. 10-sided closed figure decagon. This is other name. Suppose it is a given, next one, regular pentagon. Regular means what? All sides are equal. 5-sided and their lengths are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All sides are equal. Suppose it is 3 centimeter, length of each side is 3 centimeter. So perimeter equal to what? You just add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So कितने? 15. Better you can do 5 into side. If it is regular, then you can write 5 into side pentagon. Similarly, if it is regular hexagon, so 6 into side. Regular heptagon, 7 into side. Okay, so see another thing. So types of triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Suppose it is an isoscale triangle. Isoscale means 2 sides are equal. Scalene triangle means all are different. Suppose it is isoscale triangle, find its perimeter. Isoscale means 2 sides are equal. Suppose AB equal to AC. Suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, and this is what? Let it be 8. So how can you find the perimeter? So 5 plus 5 plus 8. 5 plus 5 10 plus 8 18, जो भी यूनिट होगा, सेंटीमीटर, अगर सेंटीमीटर होगा तो सेंटीमीटर, मीटर होगा तो मीटर. ओके, सिमिलरली सपोज इट इज गिवन ए रेक्टेंगल. यू नो व्हाट इज रेक्टेंगल? सपोज ABCD is a rectangle. Opposite rectangle means opposite sides are equal. This side equal to this side, this side equal to this side. So it is a rectangle. So rectangle, this is length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. Then how can you find the perimeter? Perimeter means addition of the boundary. L plus B plus L plus B, that is 2 times of length plus 2 times of breadth. If we will take 2 as common, so length plus breadth. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Remember, perimeter of the rectangle is what? Twice of length plus breadth. Similarly, how can you find the perimeter of a square? You know square, all sides are equal. Square, all sides are equal. So all sides are equal means this is length, this is length, this is length, this is length. So L plus L plus L plus L, that is what? 4 times of L. So perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Remember, perimeter of the square is what? 4 into side. This is rectangle, this is square, similarly triangle, जो भी है. So now we'll discuss different how can you find the perimeter of the different types of figure. So let's see. So देखिए कहाँ से हमें ये यूज करती है, प्रैक्टिकल यूज कहाँ से होता है? प्रैक्टिकल यूज, सपोज इट इज ए रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड इज गिवन. सो यू आर हियर एंड यू मूव फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, again this point, again this point, again now it is coming to the end point. जहाँ से शुरू किए थे यहाँ पे अभी पहुँच चुका है. So what is the length of this figure? That means you have to find the perimeter. Suppose you cover 4 times of this rectangular figure. तो क्या करेंगे अभी? तो एक बार निकालो, एक बार अगर कवर करेंगे तो इसका पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? रेक्टेंगल पेरीमीटर 2 होल इनटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ. If we'll cover 4 times around the field, you just multiply with the 4. Okay? जैसे फेंसिंग होता है, सपोज यह है रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड, अगर ये चारों तरफ आप फेंसिंग करेंगे, चारों तरफ फेंसिंग मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड देयर पेरीमीटर. तो पेरीमीटर कैसे निकालेंगे? सपोज दिस साइड इज गिवन 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 5, दिस इज ऑल्सो 3. सो इट इज ए रेक्टेंगल. देन यू कैन फाइंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज व्हाट? ट्वाइस ऑफ लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ. 2 लेंथ इज 5 प्लस ब्रेड्थ इज 3. सो दैट इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 8 16, जो भी होगा यूनिट सेम यूनिट होना चाहिए. ओके, सो विल डू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ शेप ऑफ द figure. Suppose it is given each angle is 90. So this side is given 10 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and this is what? 8 centimeter. Then how can you find the perimeter of this figure? Listen. So actually A, B, C, D, E, F, name of the figure. I don't know DC, also BC. Then how can you find the perimeter? So make it different shapes. So as it is each angle 90, so make it rectangle. Suppose you join this one. So this is 5 means it's a rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this is 5 and this is 8. So this is also rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this length is 5 plus 8 13. This is also 13. Similarly, this length is 3. This is also 3. From A to B, total distance is given 10. So from A to this M equal to 3. So M to B कितने होगा? 10 minus 3 7. So this is 7 means this is also 7. Why? Because opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Now we'll get all the sides. Now perimeter equal to are the sides starting from this 5. जहाँ से शुरू किए थे वहाँ तक एंड करेंगे. 5 plus 3 again plus 8 plus 7 plus 13 plus this side is what? 10. ऐड करो 5 plus 3 8 plus 8 16 plus 10 26 plus 7 26 plus 7 such a 33 plus 10 43 plus 3 46, जो भी यूनिट होगा लिखो 46 यूनिट. सो कन्फ्यूजन इज देयर. थोड़ा बच्चों मिस्टेक क्या से करते हैं? सो अगर ये मीटर में दिए है, ये सेंटीमीटर दिए, डोंट ऐड मीटर विथ सेंटीमीटर, वी कैंट ऐड. So you have to convert into same units. So do you know how to convert into same unit? Remember this one. Distance measurement, millimeter, centimeter, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Remember, so 10 gap है. Okay, remember this one. So next we'll do different questions. So one by one you'll see. जो क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा है इसको एक बार आप नोट कीजिए. These are very important question, also concept build. आपको इसमें बहुत सारा concept है. देखो फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए रेगुलर हेक्सागन whose length of the side is 10 centimeter. So what is regular sir? Regular means all sides are equal. कितना है हेक्सागन 6 साइडेड क्लोज फिगर, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल फिगर. जैसे देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल लेंथ, ईच साइड इज गिवन 10. सो पेरीमीटर क्या होगा, 10 को 6 बार ऐड करो, 10 + 10 ऐसे 6 बार ऐड करो. बेटर व्हाट विल डू 10 × 6. So perimeter of the hexagon is 6 into side, 6 into side. If it is regular, if different side is given, don't apply this formula. So if it is regular, then you can write 6 into side. So 6 into 10 that equal to 60. जो भी unit है लिखो 60 centimeter. Got it? Similarly, second question. See, find the length of the rectangle if the perimeter is given 86 centimeter and width is given 18 centimeter. See, this is a figure, rectangle, perimeter is given. Perimeter means addition of the four sided is given. Whose perimeter is given 86 and width is given 18. Length I don't know. So perimeter of the rectangle is, write down the formula, 2 whole into length plus breadth, that is given 86. 2 whole into length I don't know, but width is given, width or breadth same, 18, that equal to 86. So 2 will be transferred to this side. So remaining is what, L plus 18 equal, when 2 will be transferred to this side, here multiplication, so it will be divide. 86 divided 2, 2 4 2 43. So length equal to 18 here added, when it to transfer to this side, it will be subtract. 43 minus 18, 13 minus 8 5 and 3 minus 1 25 centimeter. So length is 25 centimeter. So इस तरह बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आप एक एक कर करेंगे. आप थोड़ा लिख दीजिए. सुनिए मैंने जो बोल रहा हूँ ना, जो एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर ये पार्ट होता है. Area is separate part and perimeter is one part. So today I am discussing about perimeter. So this chapter is high value होता है, क्योंकि ये हायर क्लास में, जैसे आपका जो 6 7 8 9 10 सबको चैप्टर में आएंगे, तो प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड चैप्टर, तो इसको थोड़ा गौर से समझिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, एक बार समझने से आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे इजी आएंगे. इजी डिफिकल्ट नहीं, दिस चैप्टर इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, बट यार देयर इज सम कंसेप्ट. ओके, सो विल डू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखिए, फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर इफ द पेरीमीटर इज गिवन 32. लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर हुज पेरीमीटर इज 32. किसका पेरीमीटर दिए, स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर यू नो 4 into side, that is given 32. Then side equal to what, 4 is multiplied here, when you transfer to this side it will divide. 32 divided 4, 4 8 is 32, 8 centimeter. So length of the side of the square is, this is square, 8 8 8 8. देखो अगर चारों को ऐड करेंगे 32 होता है नहीं. So side is 8 centimeter. Second question, a piece of string is 48 centimeter long. String होता है क्या, ऐसे लेंथ string, इसका लेंथ ये है 48 centimeter. What will be the length of each side of the string if it is used to make a regular octagon? What is this mean? Regular means all sides are equal, octagon means 8 sided. ऐसे string को लेकर ने हमने 8 sided regular octagon ऐसे बना दिए. Regular octagon 8 sided closed figure. So perimeter of the regular figure means what, 8 into side, perimeter equal to 8 into side. As it is a regular, so don't add the side in 8 times, it is better multiply 8 into side. So that is given. So length of the string, that is 48. So side equal to 48 by 8, that equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the very important questions. So in the coming class I will discuss more questions. Okay, so you have to follow all this concept, okay, one by one. So coming class में और कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे. तब तक के लिए सुनिए 1 मिनट सुनिए, और भी सारा क्वेश्चन है मैं डिस्कस करूंगा. तो देखिए, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है तो ज़रूर इसको लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब की दीजिए. थैंक यू.